Welcome to the Trader's Toolbox series and your guide to mastering the tools that shape the market. Right now you're looking at a Thinkorswim layout filled with many powerful indicators and studies, each designed to give traders an edge. In each episode, we'll take a deep dive into one of these and many other game-changing tools and studies. We'll zoom in, strip away the noise, and show you exactly why so many pros use these tools, why it should matter to you, and how you can use them to make smarter trades. Let's begin your journey on your way to greater profits as we join the $1 Million Margin Club and their introduction to today's tool. The Buyer's Volume Indicator highlights the strength of buying activity within each candle by estimating the volume driven by buyers. This allows traders to quickly spot when buyer interest is increasing, especially when it surpasses the previous candle's buyer volume. Designed for fast-paced environments like one-minute scalping, it helps identify potential breakouts, confirms trend continuation, and gauges market sentiment in real time with clear visual cues. With 4 labels, the indicator provides key information about the volume for judging the strength of bullish interest. First is the total volume of the current candle's price action, confirming the overall interest for trading the stock. Next, a bright green label shows the portion of the previous candle's volume for buyer's activity only. Similarly, the third label shows the buyer's volume for the current candle. The final label shows the growing or retreating percentage of the buyer's strength within the volume of the whole volume bar. The buyer's volume indicator also has a visual volume meter to make identifying the buyer's strength quick and showing if it is momentary or continuous strength. As part of the label's features, the buy volume label changes from green to blue when the current buyer's volume is greater than the previous buyer's volume at the same time an audio alert sounds. The buyer volume formulas capture the strength of buying pressure and use it to create visual and audio alerts to give traders an edge for bullish trading. By isolating buyer volume and comparing it to previous activity, the buyer's volume indicator gives traders a sharper edge in spotting subtle shifts in momentum. Whether confirming a strong move or detecting hesitation in the price action, it adds a layer of clarity that raw volume alone can't provide. This indicator, along with other great indicators, studies, tools and strategy books, are part of the Trader Toolbox series. No matter where you are in your journey, this series, along with their groundbreaking guidebooks designed by professional traders, has been created to help beginner and seasoned traders alike reach the next level of profitability and are available exclusively at the $1 Million Margin Club. Visit our website, level up your trading, and join the profitable traders at the $1 Million Margin Club.